Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a broadcast channel on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you have to do is first of all access your Instagram app, and then you have to know that the only creators account for Instagrams are eligible to add a broadcast channel or create one. So for that, go ahead, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, and you can see we do have turned on the professional account. But if we go to three horizontal line on top, tapping on settings and privacy, and right over here we're going to tap on this option for professionals, business, tools and control. Our account is turned to business, and then afterwards you're going to go ahead, swipe a bit and tap on this option of switch account type, and you can see we're going to simply go ahead, switch to creator account. Tap on switch, and now we have simply switched our creator account. We're going to go back, refresh it once, and now tap on our message icon on top right. You're going to be able to tap on this icon, and you will be able to find the option for you to simply create a broadcast channel for you. Make sure to turn it to a creator's channel and update your app as well along with it, and then you will be able to simply create yourself a channel and you're good to go. That is the process for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.